Richland County Elections Director Lillian McBride was comforted by several friends and co-workers Thursday after submitting her letter of resignation to the Election Commission. Acting Chair Alan Dowdy read the letter in council chambers.
I have decided it would be difficult for me to continue in that role moving forward. Accordingly, I shall relinquish my duties and responsibilities and leave my current position as Executive Director.
McBride had no comment as she left the meeting, but her attorney did have this to say.
It was a difficult decision, but at the end of the day, it was her decision to make. And she brought this letter to the council of her own volition.
McBride's decision to step down comes weeks after pressure from the county's legislative delegation, whose members have said someone should pay for the county's troubled November election. Although McBride will leave her director post, she's still expected to remain in the Elections and Voter Registration Office in a role that has yet to be determined. The Election Commission's chair says the county can now move forward.
We want to reestablish credibility and make sure that voting becomes an easier task than what it's been in the past.